Paper cone. Fold an origami ice cream cone. You'll need origami paper and markers. Step 1. Place the paper as shown. Fold one corner to meet the other. Step 2. Open the paper and then fold the right and left corners into the middle crease. Step 3. Fold the top corners down to make 2 flaps. Step 4. Flip the paper over and fold the flaps toward the middle. Step 5. Fold the top triangle down. Step 6. To make the swirl, fold the triangle back up. Step 7. Fold the triangle down and back up again to finish the swirl. Step 8. Flip your ice cream cone to the front and then add a face. Have fun folding!